Good morning. I hope you can see me now. So this is going to be my realistic morning routine. I am at my Masi's place today. I've been here for the past 2 days, so I thought of filming it here only. So it is 10 right now. Ideal bilkul bhi nahi hai. I think I'll go for a run today. I do it occasionally whenever I'm in a mood, and I guess that's it.
After spending 15 minutes in my bed thinking about if I should wake up or not, I finally got up, wore my slippers, and I have two because रोज सुबह कोई ना कोई चप्पल ले जाता है, so backup के लिए. Then I wore my robe and switched on all the lights. Then I go to the washroom, wash my hands, brush my teeth, and rinse my face with cold water so that I don't sleep again. Then this is the outfit that I'm gonna wear to go out for running. It's time to say goodbye to comfy slippers. And then I head out. After half an hour, I'll come back all sweaty and exhausted, and again head to the washroom.
Now you can come in. I'm just gonna take shower, no rocket science, and then I'll tell you what all I do after that.
So I've recently started using this coffee body scrub and I'm in love with its fragrance. So this is India's first caffeinated brand, and the best part is it's SLS and paraben free, which means no sulfate, no preservatives. Also, coffee is anyway really good for your skin as it improves blood flow and makes us look radiant and bright. It minimizes fine lines and keeps the skin hydrated. Coffee also has a similar pH to our skin, so it won't damage or dry out your skin as other products can do, which makes it a perfect essential item for winters. Now onto my face. So I've been loving this face wash, which is again from the coffee range, as it consists of white water lily, aloe vera, pure coffee, seaweed. It leaves my face really fresh and hydrated, which is a perfect yes for a dry skin person like me. Now moving on, I use the Naked and Raw coffee face scrub. Now this is my second favorite thing from their coffee range, as this has pure coffee, argan oil, vitamin E and walnut. It is not that harsh but deep cleans the skin and helps in getting rid of all the blackheads. It feels really gentle, and again my skin feels really soft and hydrated after using this product. After this, I use a toner, which is followed by my everyday moisturizer to soothe and close the pores, along with my lip balm. Now we'll just move on to the outfit. So this is the outfit that I picked, and I ended up doing my makeup. And now on to the outro. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing.